It's been a long time since we've done an episode of The Living Flip. We ended last year by doing the shed. A multiple part episode, a big aggressive project. But today we have a bit of a smaller project. We are going to replace a sliding door. Once upon a time, a boy met a girl working for a mouse. They fell in love and realized they'd never own their own home working for the mouse. So they packed up a big truck and moved to New Jersey, lived in a basement to save money for a year, and bought a foreclosure to fix up while they lived there. This is their story. I just have to take a moment and say, look at this gorgeous lawn. I know it's been a long time since we've been here at The Living Flip, and a lot's been going on. Our last episodes were of doing the shed, which you can see in the background there. You can also see they added a fence, and they got a new roof. So it's definitely a very nice transition from what it was when we originally, well, I should say when they originally bought this house. But this grass, look how nice that looks. This is our project for the day. We have a new slider that has the blinds built into it for some privacy. So this is one thing that has been a disappointment. It's such an odd sized pool and so big that it was so windy this winter, it just pulled it right in. So they're going to be getting a new pool cover. They also have a little addition to their family, although he's not so little. That's Patrick. Hi, Patrick. Come here. Hi, buddy. Where'd you go? Come here. Yeah.
There you go, boy.
He was a puppy rescue. How old is he now?
He'll be a 1 week after next.
Wow. No small dog, that's for sure.
Not at all.
But it's good yard for him. So we really got to peel it back like an onion, and we're going to start by opening up the siding so we can get at the J channel. And using a siding removal tool, I got a little bit of caulk here. Oh, I gotta go get my knife. There you go. See all our nice caulk trim here and the paint. We're gonna mess all that up. Mess it up, that's what we're gonna do. There you go. See how easy that was? Oh, we are getting lucky with this. Oh, for a change. Wow, that's a screw. We got wallpaper underneath the trim here. And it had 2 different kinds. One on the bottom and a different one on top. And a border in between. They was fancy. It's Patrick!
Patrick, did you see the border?
He's like, ooh, foam, looks like something to chew.
Don't eat it. Like butter.
Easy peasy. It's got some weight to it, right?
So, she's moving.
Yeah, now you can do it. There you go.
There we go. Oh,
It's stout, huh? Wow, I like this look here.
so.
All right, so I cut the one side, and right away, that let loose. You can see there was spray foam up there and whatnot. That was what was holding it. So I think with just the one side cut, we'll be able to get it out. Okay, well, that's out. Yeah, that's the caulk underneath it. Yeah, you want to do that without breaking it. There you go. That's the way. All right, let's see here. Where are we? It looks good. And that looks good. All right. And that looks good. All right, I think we're ready. All right, we took one panel out of the door, so it was lighter, but it was still a bear getting it up these steps. But it's up here, and now we're gonna prepare with this window and door sealing tape. Now you can see, due to the thickness of our sill here, it sticks out further than the side. So this flange on the bottom is meant for new construction. So all we did was take a utility knife and just score it, and it comes right off. This was our initial test fit. We then took it out and put caulk down the bottom before putting it in permanently.
It fits.
Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so the door is in. It's all nailed, it's all plumb. We got the latch done. Now we're gonna put this same tape over here to just seal that even better. And we'll put one across the top too. That'll be the last step. And then that way, if any water does hit it around the trim, it'll all run down. All right, and all the wrap is on. So we have 2 layers, basically one underneath and then one on top. So this is, you know, nice and sealed, both for air and more importantly for water. We're gonna seal it for air from the inside. Now I should say, the reason they went for the new door was because it has this blind in between it. So it's not a fishbowl at night. They felt very self-conscious because it was dark outside and you couldn't see who was looking in. So this way, it's a lot more privacy. And they looked into a possible roll-down shade on this thing, but for this size door, it would have been wicked expensive. And this is a much better solution. Same holes, make it easy on us. Not too shabby. It fits like a glove, exactly like the other one did. And we just put everything back the way that it was. So it is done on the outside, other than for some caulk. But the inside's another story. Now the inside, you can see the door is made for new construction, so it's not as deep as the old thing. So we're gonna have to do a jam extension here so that we can put the trim back on. But that'll be a job for another day. But for now, it's at least sealed to the weather and it works good. Right, Patrick? You good? You like that? Yeah, you just wanna go back outside. Say bye. Say bye. We've done so much to this house already, but there's a lot more to come. So be sure to subscribe and watch every episode of The Living Flip.